Hey everyone, welcome to the Cameroon Hassan English Club. Today we will learn some essential phrases for daily conversation. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Greeting and introductions. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm Cameroon. What about you? Example conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm doing great. Number 2, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Could you please repeat that? How do you say this in English? I don't understand. Can you explain? Example conversation. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Number 3, shopping and ordering food. How much does this cost? I would like to order a coffee, please. Can I have this bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Example conversation. How much does this cost? It is $10. Okay, I will take it. Number 4 is small talk and daily conversation. What do you do for a living? The weather is nice today. What are your habits? I love traveling. How about you? Example conversation. What do you do for a living? I'm a teacher. And you? I work as a software developer. Great job. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Let me know in the comment which phrases you found most useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more spoken English lesson. See you in next video.